Hello, my name is Kenneth, and I would like to show how to put up a Bygdrift Warehouse environment into an Azure cloud as fast as possible. So let's get started. Go into GitHub Bygdrift Warehouse and go to deploy and go to deploy to Azure. It will log into your portal, Azure portal, and you should put up a resource group. And I would like to call it Warehouse Production because I need a production environment right now. And it has to be in West Europe for this Azure platform. And MSQL server firewall, go into my IP, copy your IP address, put it in. Select if it should be test or production and leave this as it is, a server user. And a password, a database name, leave it as it is. Go create. Not now. And create. And wait for 5 minutes. So now my deployment is complete and it took only 2 minutes, and under all resource groups, warehouse production, it has put up these resources. So now it's time to install a module. And I will take Hilo Warehouse Modules DaluxFM, go down to installation, push the deployment button, and select the warehouse that you have and fill out these Dalux customer ID. You need to get this from the Dalux administrator. And I put in a user that I've created in a Gmail. And this DaluxFM SOAP key, you need to get that from Dalux. And leave the rest. Create. Create. And now I think it's 5 minutes waiting. So now the deployment is completed, and I will go in and start up the function to get some data into the data warehouse. Go into resource group, warehouse production, and I'll take this module DaluxFM, and I go into, and I go into functions and take import state, go down to code and test, open up logs so I can see what's happening, go and run it, and close. And while it's running, I can tell that it will run each night at 1 o'clock, but right now I'm forcing it to run. And you can see here in the configurations app settings how often it will run. So now it has executed, so we are done, and I will try to get the data into Excel. And to get it over there, I will need the server name. So I go into SQL Server and up to Overview, and I will copy the server name. Go over here, start a new sheet, go to Data, fetch data from an SQL server. Server name. And database, and code that we used put into the ARM template at the start. Here we have the warehouse, here we have the data that came in, and here we have buildings. I can transform data and say that I only want some of the data to get in, and I can select what data I would like, but I just take it all and it's in here. So that's it. Bye.